Yo, what up, YouTube? Friday, April 25th. Ammo Junkie coming at you. Here's my ammo run results for the day. Like I said earlier, me and my wife went together, took her car, so yeah, we got there quick. Anyways, we were first, second online. I knew the 525 Remington golden bullets were coming in, and the 225 case of each, at least minimum. Sometimes there could be more, but I'm not sure how to tell that. I know how to tell if at least a case comes in. I mean, everyone does. If you don't, you're a damn idiot. So we sat there, sure as shit, in the Remington golden bullets. Here's the tags as normal. $21.97 a box. $4.94 in tax in California here because it sucks balls. On 4/25/14, this is 7:15 in the morning. These lazy fucks, man. I mean, they're supposed to be there at 7, but they're not. And my wife's tag, same thing, $21.97 each. And she got a book. It was what, $12.59. So hers came to $84.39. But yeah, that's all good. You know, any day my wife wants to go with me and buy some ammo with me and buy a book, I'm good with that. So that's it. And we'll run for the day up here in Cali. Shit, ammo's up here. Till next time, peace, boys.